Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you a design on a artificial nail, and you can do this on your natural nail or an artificial nail. It's totally up to you. I was just in the living room and I saw my son's Rubik's Cube. Man, these things are really old. I remember them when I was younger, so I was thinking I could probably make a design by using the Rubik's Cube design. So here we go. So I buffed the nail just so there's rough edges, okay? So these are the colors that I'm going to be using, the acrylic colors, okay? The first one I'm going to be using is a bright red, okay? We're just going to place a dab on a piece of paper. There's my piece of paper. I recycle my paper, so here we go. There's one dab, and it looks like the same red to me, okay? And here's an orange. It's called Pure Pumpkin Orange. Here we go. Okay, the next color I'm going to be using is Peacock Blue. Just shake it up and just place a dab. There we go. Wow, I like these colors. They're really nice colors. Okay, next color is Bright Yellow. Okay, just place a dab. Like so. Next color I'm going to be using is Christmas Green. And just place a dab. Oh, there we go. Okay, next color I'm going to be placing is the white. So, because you can tell there is white on. Okay, so we'll just place the white over here, right by the green. Okay, there we go. Okay, so the nail is ready. What I'm going to be using is a dotting tool. This is the dotting tool that I'm going to be using. It's a pretty big one. So I'm going to start making squares with my dotting tool. Okay, I'm going to start with a red. And I'm going to go in the corner like so. So 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to probably go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have to go up a little bit here on this one. There. Okay, so next color I'm going to be using is an orange. You guys, and you know what? You can just place your colors anywhere you want. You don't have to be, it doesn't have to be like, you know, the same as me. So there we go. Okay, so next color I'm going to be using is the blue. Blue. Okay, next color I'm going to be doing is a yellow. So I'll place the yellow right in the middle here. Okay, we're going to grab the green and I will place the green. Clean off our dotting tool. I'll use a white. And I'll place that right over here. Now I'm going to go back with the blue and I'll put the blue right here. Okay, now I'm going to just let this dry and then we're going to do our touch-ups. Okay, so our acrylic paints have almost dried. They're a little still wet, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to start touching up basically. So I'm going to be using this paintbrush. It's just a liner. This is what the brush looks like. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip it in some water and dry it off with a paper towel. I'm going to grab my my orange. And I'm going to touch this up here, this one, because if you could see, it doesn't look even. touch-ups, we're going to let this dry. Okay, the acrylics paints have almost dried. If you could tell, the blue is still wet, but we can still work. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to use this stripe right. It's black. If you could tell, there's black lines in between. So we need to do that. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to outline the squares. So grab your black and your nail, and let's start doing the squares. There we go. So we're going to let this dry. Okay, so everything has dried. I did a little bit more touch-ups, but besides that, it looks like it's pretty much good to go. All you need to do now is place a top coat. You can use this for an actual nail, or you can use this one for acrylic or gel nail. Okay, I'm going to place a top coat. Okay, now we're going to let this dry.